Let's take a look at the major sections of an airplane using the Boeing 787. The primary component of an aircraft is its fuselage. Here is housed passengers, cargo, and fuel. If you look to the front of the fuselage, you'll see the cockpit. This is where the pilot and co-pilot are. To the left and right of the fuselage are the wings. We'll talk a little bit more about control surfaces later. If you look towards the back of the aircraft, you'll see the tail, or it's also called an empennage, which in French means the feathers on the back of an arrow or a dart. If you look at the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, you can see how it resembles this. So these are the general major components of an aircraft. Let's take a quick look at the control surfaces of an aircraft using a small recreational airplane. If you look towards the wings, there are flaps on them called ailerons. When they're engaged, this causes the aircraft to roll to the left or to the right. Let's look towards the tail. As you can see, there's a vertical stabilizer that looks similar to a dorsal fin on a dolphin or a whale, and there's a horizontal stabilizer. The vertical stabilizer has a flap on it called a rudder, and this causes the aircraft to yaw left or right depending on which way the tail is being pushed. If you look at the horizontal stabilizer, there's a flap on it called the elevator. And much like a common elevator, which you probably have used before, it causes you to increase or decrease altitude. When the tail is pushed up or down, it causes the nose of the plane to face up or down, causing the plane to increase or decrease altitude. These are the common control surfaces on an aircraft.